How's it going? This is Robert with Eds Autosound, located out here in La Mesa. And today we worked on a Jeep Cherokee, installing Rydeens RDV360 system, which has auto stitching technology and gives us a 360-degree bird's eye view of the vehicle for parking assist. So let me go ahead and put this in reverse. We'll take it outside and you can kind of see what to expect from this system. As you can see, as I put my left blinker on, the camera on the left side of the vehicle is triggered, so you can kind of see what's going to be on the left side of the vehicle, possibly in your blind spot area for when you're switching lanes or turning. And we'll go over these lines here so you can kind of see how well calibrated the system is when you're going over a line. Notice as we're about to park here, you'll be able to see the white lines on the left and the right side of the vehicle. To make sure that you're centered, you could look down at the visual on the screen display as you're parking. And as we approach the curb itself, you'll see it approaching your front bumper, so you know when to stop. Like so. I must say I'm very impressed with the auto stitching technology. You could even see it in the details of the shadows of the vehicle and the buildings, how seamless it stitches the images together from the 4 cameras. If you have any questions regarding the RDV360, go ahead and give us a call at Eds Autosound. We're located out here in La Mesa, 619-469-2500, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any questions you have pertaining to this unit or any of your other car audio needs. Once again, it's Robert, Eds Autosound. Thanks for watching.